Hello everyone. Today we will discuss chapter number 2. Our chapter name is The Earth, a Unique Planet. The uniqueness of Earth. There are countless stars, planets, and heavenly body in the universe, but the Earth is unique because it is the only planet known to have living things on it where the life is possible. The Earth remains the only place in the universe with life on it. Our planet, the Earth. Yes, student, in first chapter, you have learned that our solar system is an assembly of 8 planets which revolve around the Sun. These planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun in the solar system. Student, see in the picture, the Earth is at third place. The Earth, the Moon, and the other planets are round or spherical like balls. Yes, student, all of you understand the spherical shape? Just like a ball. In olden days, people believed that the Earth was flat, having a level surface. They feared that if they traveled really far in one direction, they would fall off the edge. With the latest technology, scientists have found that the Earth is not completely round like a ball. It is slightly flat at the top and the bottom, just like an orange. All of you have seen the orange. This shape is called an oblate spheroid. Next is horizon and coast. Horizon. Horizon is a line where the earth and the sky appear to meet. Have you ever seen on beach or near the beach? We can see there earth and the sea appear to meet. They are actually not meeting. They just appears to meet. That is called horizon. Coast. Sometimes the word horizon and coast are confused, but both are different. Coast is a place where the land and the sea meet. If you visit a beach, you will be able to clearly see the coast at your feet and the horizon far into the distance. We live on the surface of the earth. The surface of the earth is covered by many water bodies, desert, mountains, forests, etc., where many types of animals live. Fish and other creatures lives in the water, in the seas and oceans. Let us now learn about the spherical feature of the earth that make it possible for people to live and survive on the earth. The earth is unique. Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. There are some features that only the earth has which make the life possible on the earth. These features are, let us learn about the feature of the earth one by one. First one is the presence of air. There is a layer of air around the earth known as the atmosphere. The atmosphere protects us from the sun's harmful rays. It contains various gases just like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, as well as water and dust particles. We need oxygen for breathe. Therefore, it is very important for us. And without oxygen, we can't live. Next one is the presence of water. The earth has many types of water bodies, oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. In fact, almost 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. It is because of these water bodies that the earth looks like a blue planet. When we see it from the space, it looks like a blue planet because of water. And without water, we can't live. Earth is the only planet that has water. Next one is ideal distance from the sun. The earth is neither too close nor too far away from the sun. The sun is a very hot ball of fire, and the closer we get to it, the hotter it is. If the earth was too close to the sun, life would not be possible in such a hot condition. If the earth was too far away, it would get too cold. The planets far away from the sun, like Uranus and Neptune, are so cold that nothing can survive there. And the planet Mercury is nearest to sun, and it is very hot. We human beings cannot live in the extreme temperature. Saving our planet. We live on the earth and it provides us with food, water, air, shelter and all the things that make our life comfortable. But today our planet is in danger. Ocean, sea, shore forests, and many other regions of the earth are being overused and spoiled by us. We can do a lot to help save our planet. We can plant more trees. Trees give out oxygen that is used for all organisms to breathe, and it also maintains the earth's temperature. Next one is we can stop factories from dumping waste into water bodies and releasing harmful gases into the air. This would be help make the air cleaner. We can also try to recycle and reuse things. For example, soft drink cans can be crushed and recycled into a new cans. Similarly, cloths and paper can also be recycled and reused. If we stop wastage and use of the gifts of our earth properly, then people will be able to enjoy them forever. If we keep misusing these resources, then the very things that make the earth is a unique planet will be destroyed by us. Thank you.